Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to cancel a reservation request on the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your Airbnb platform or Airbnb account, you will need to go to the reservation that you have just created or just requested and make sure that it is still pending and not confirmed. So basically, if you have just clicked on reserve and you added everything, and then you see that your reservation is only requested, not confirmed, all you need to do is to cancel it from here, because you will find that it is not confirmed, and then you will need just to click cancel, and it won't require you to have a refund, or it won't even build something from your bank account or your payments method, because it is not confirmed yet. So basically this is how you can do it on Airbnb. Thank you for watching and see you next time.